All right, well, let's start her up. I'm Creator James. And the idea of this is to create a game as quickly as we can. This week we're going with Line Rider. I saw a lot of YouTube videos of people creating crazy Line Rider maps, and it's kind of what inspired me to do this. So I'm going to put 3 hours on the clock, see if we can create Line Rider in 3 minutes. Or 3 hours. 3 minutes is a little ambitious. I'd like confirmation this is working. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna start by creating a line drawer script. This is how we're gonna create. Fuck my bed. Alright, we're already lagging out. This is good. Gonna add the line drawer. Okay, it's already on there. Alright, so we're gonna need a few variables. We're just gonna need a where the mouse is. So that's gonna be mouse position is gonna equal input main camera. No. All right, and then we're gonna want we're gonna make a set point void. So what this is gonna do is we're gonna make a line, like a curved line. You're gonna be able to draw it with your mouse, but it's gonna be really a lot of flat lines. And so the set point is gonna set both the collider and the line renderer for this. So let's say prev position equals mouse position. All right, and we're also gonna have a list of vector2s which are called points. We're gonna use those a lot. So points dot add mouse position. And yeah, that should be good for now. So when we get this down, we're gonna need a game object that's gonna be our line render. I'm just gonna call it LR. And LR is gonna equal new game object. Doesn't matter where it's located because it just doesn't. And then we're gonna do we're gonna call set point. And so that's gonna define the first point. LR is gonna need a few things. It's gonna need to add a line renderer, and it's gonna need to add an edge collider 2D. So then we're gonna need, if you hold down the mouse, it's gonna keep drawing the line. So if input dot get mouse button and let's say if vector2 dot distance, so if the distance from the mouse to the previous position is greater than, let's say, 0.1 f, then we're gonna set a new point. What did I do here? Oh, yeah. I forgot a parenthesis. And then, so we're gonna go, once those two have been set, we need to take the line renderer dot get component line renderer. Oh no, line renderer. And now this is, what is this? This is set dot point. What is this? So if you have a empty game object, come on. What do line renderers have? Line renderers have positions. Okay, so we're gonna go dot set. No, what is this? Not get components, that's what it is. Get component line render dot set position, and we're gonna go we want the last one in line, so that's dots, what is it? Is it size or length? What is this? Position count -1, and we're going to set that to the mouse position. And then points, we're going to add mouse position. And then after that, what is it? lr.get component edge collider is going dot points. It's going to equal points dot toArray. And so that should work pretty well. Let's see how that goes. Come on. We don't have time for this. And nada. Okay. Why? Why? Oh. List has to be public, doesn't it? Okay, let's try that again. Come on. Come on. So we need to add all this get componenting isn't really great practice, but it's gonna be okay. Position count plus plus. Let's try that. And I wonder if we're still gonna have that. We're gonna have that lingering. We're gonna have that always connected to. Yeah. So what we're gonna do to get rid of that is, let's do a lr.get component line renderer position count equals 0. Now let's see if that doesn't solve that. Computer's slow today, man. This is not. Oh, because it's not liking that. Okay, we're gonna have to do that before that. Okay.
I was wondering if maybe you'd like to go to the beach and or something, if that's alright.
All right, Houston, we have liftoff. So there's a few obvious things I don't like about that. It's a giant purple thick line. And where's the variable for width? We want that down to probably like let's say 0.1. No. Point 5, 0.3, 0.2. 0.2. Width curve. Set the curve. Set width. Float and end. Okay, is that how that works? Well, we're gonna go 0.2f, 0.2f. And what is this? What the fuck is this? What does this want? What does this want from me? let's get, because it's going to need a material to be like that. So, to not be purple, that is. So we're going to go, component, line renderer. Dot material equals matte. And then, of course, it has to be black. So let's make that happen. Come on, baby. You can do it. We're one script in. Okay. And let's see how that works. It's not black. Oh, because the line render doesn't. Okay. That probably just has its own color variable, doesn't it? Color gradient. Oh, God. What is this? So can I just do color? Can I just start color equals color dot black? Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so first of all, let's make the background of this white. And let's see if we can get away with setting that thinner. How does that look? I feel like that's too like blocky. I'm gonna change. So this is gonna change how frequently it makes a new line. 0.01. Let's see how that works out. Gonna be a lot more precise. Yeah, that's pretty good. So next we need to have a line writer itself. So let's draw that. I got this bad boy open. Let's how's he looking? So I think if I have time, I'm gonna make the rider himself a different object than the rest of it. But if not, we're just gonna yeah, that's nice. For now, I think we're just gonna maybe we'll make a new layer and build him on it, but for now it's just gonna be one static object. Let's give him a nose. Oh yeah, baby. Now, if that's not a work of art, fucking tell me what it is. Well, now, why is that black in the back? What's going on here? Is this it? No, what the fuck? Am I stupid? Oh, because I exported as a JPEG, okay. Silly me. Okay, get the hell out of here. Alright, so he's pretty big. They're gonna zoom out the camera a little bit anyway. Ooh, but does that mean I'm going to change the size of the line? It probably does, doesn't it? Yeah, let's bump that up to like... I feel like 0.2 might be fine. Oh yeah, that's nice. And let's give him... Probably gonna go a capsule collider 2D. Let's deal with that. It's probably pretty good. And then rigid body 2D. Let's see how that works. And then does he have to be this big? I suppose we could scale him. And so maybe, how do we want to do this? So you're drawing and then maybe right clicking starts it, right? Because we need some way, like what I'm getting at is like he's just gonna fall immediately. We could quickly draw something underneath them, but that's still pretty rough. Also, this guy should probably have a really frictionless material while I'm thinking of it. Physics material 2D. Wow. Beautiful. So I'm gonna say maybe right clicking turns on and off. dot get mouse button down 1 time. Is this gonna work? Oh wait, no, how I want to do this is if time.timescale equals 1, then we're going to set it to 0, else time.timescale. This is a little janky, but we'll see. And then let's say by default it starts with 0, so he doesn't fall. So now I should be able to draw something like that, yep, and then right click and he falls. Beautiful.
You distanced yourself from the whole thing.
And then if I draw that, and so and if I go like that, I should be able to also pause it, which is interesting. Okay, maybe I put him up here. So now I want the camera to move with the game, because if we play this and he starts to go off the screen, like let's say I have something like that, and he just goes, he's not ever really coming back. Like I'd rather it follow him wherever he goes. So I think how we're gonna do that is a little bit of like a like a buffer system. Like if he goes too far into each direction, the camera's gonna follow. So let's start by creating and adding that script. And also this player is gonna have the tag player. So we can do this dynamically. So let's go private game object player wide awake. Can I find an object by tag? You know what we're gonna do actually, because I don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna name a player and find it by name. See if I care. Again, bad practice, but we're jamming. We're speed deving, right? Can't you tell by how quickly this is going? Okay. So let's do this in the worst way possible. If camera.main dot, how do I want to do this? No, that's not dot. Oh wait, yes. World to screen point player dot transform dot position. Okay. Well, first of all, let's not do it that way. Let's be a little bit better about that. Vector to player position, and then player position equals that shit right there. No. This shit right here. So that's gonna give me the screen point. If player position dot y, and so that's gonna count from the top left. So if it's less than screen dot height divided by 10, so this is gonna be if the player is in the top 10th of the screen. Camera.main.transform.translate 0. Or we can just do transform.position equals vector 3.lerp, and this is going to be a player position dot x, player dot transform dot position dot x, player dot transform dot position dot y. But then we're going to maintain a -10 here. Why doesn't that? Oh, okay. Hello? The girlfriend is here. How's it going? Sick. Why is this not? Oh, because I need it. Okay, and that's gonna be in a time dot fixed delta time times, let's say like 5. That sound good to you, Aaron?
Great.
I'm making Line Rider in 3 hours. What? You never played Line Rider? You've oh, come on. Well, I'll show you what Line Rider is like once I'm done making it. It's pretty cool. Okay, so I've lost my train of thought. If player.y is, if it's less than 1/10 of the screen or greater than the screen height minus screen dot height divided by 10. Always add extra parentheses for extra assuredness. So that's saying if it's fuck. Should this, if it's in the top or bottom? Let's see if just that works. Let's just test that. Yeah, in a second. Thanks. Why is it like glitching? What the hell is that? Is it moving too fast? Or is it the player that's... Ooh, rigid body 2Ds. I haven't dealt too much with that. Dynamic, kinematic. Okay, we don't want that. Collision. Let's set that to continuous. Never sleep. Interpolate. You wanna follow me on Twitch? Check out my Twitch stream. Let me know if anybody's saying things in the chats or if anybody's followed me. You can do it on your phone, yeah. I don't understand why that's jittering. Maybe it's because it's too much of a... I don't know if you have to get the app. You might be able to just go to Twitch TV / Creator James. Why is this so shitty? My profile picture is me sitting in front of a lot of code. Yeah. How do I look? No, it's probably lagged behind, right? How's the connection looking? It's probably pretty shitty if I had to guess. You should be able to. There should be an eyeball with a number next to it. Wait, did I do that right? If it's less than screen height, or if it's greater than... There we go. Well, if you're watching it, there should at least be an eyeball with a 1 next to it. I don't know why that's like so jittery. Yeah, so I just heard the sound effect, so thanks for whoever interacted with me in some way. I just suck at Twitch and can't see. I don't have like a second monitor or anything. So if you just followed me, thanks. Or if you did something else, thanks. I'm still starting out. I don't know. Do you have to make an account to watch somebody on Twitch? I don't think so. I think you can just watch without an account. You can just lurk. Then make an account. You can just get me another follower. If you really love me, if you're really my girlfriend, you'll make not just one, but many accounts and follow me on Twitch. Okay, so the screen follows you. The camera follows you. I can't tell why it's jittery. I really can't, like, why it's jumping. I can't tell if it's... I don't think it's the player jumping. I think it's the script. But why? Why? I really can't tell. Player.transform. Right? That shouldn't be... Let's see how that goes. Yeah, why is it jittering? Why? Oh, so what does simulated mean? God, I haven't dealt with rigid body collisions since a few updates ago, so let's see if that solves things. Oh wait, it has to be simulated? What's the issue, babe? You gotta, you just gotta go through the loops. If you aren't following me on Twitch, are you even my girlfriend? So I want it to be. Okay, I don't understand why that isn't working. But maybe we could just say fuck it to all of this and just have the camera just straight up follow. Is that even what happens in actual Line Rider? I don't even remember. You say hi. You might be the only viewer. Are those current? Hey, if you're watching this, can you send something in the chat so that we can figure out how many people are watching me? 2 viewers. Hey, whoever else is there, say hey. My girlfriend's in the chat and she wants somebody to talk to. I'm sure she's sick of talking to me all day. Oh fuck. What the fuck did I just do? Where's my main camera? Is it? Is the music echoey? I can just... Is it? I don't know what the fuck that just did. Transformed that position equals new vector 3. How is that not? Oh no, I don't want the screen point yet. God, I'm fucking up now. That's the perk of not many people watching? My girlfriend's all alone in the chat. Nobody's saying anything to her. Disappointed in you guys. Is the music still playing? Good. That looks a lot better. No, you follow me. I don't know what a friend does. We can be friends though. And then you should see your username pop up on the screen if you follow me. Isn't that exciting? You're famous. All the other people watching get to see your username. Okay, what am I doing? So next thing we gotta do is there's different types of lines you can draw. And so this is just line type 1. So if there's, let's do a public, let's see if I remember how to do this. Enum. Wait, how do you do this?
You can hear it.
Am I? How? How is that possible? That's probably really annoying. And how do I declare that? Why the fuck is that happening? Is the music doing that?
I can't tell because it's just.
It's hard to even tell if it's. Well, how about now? Is it still doing it? Why? What? Do I have... Oh, is this because I have this open? How about... Okay, maybe that fixed it? I don't think so, though. Did it? Technical difficulties, everybody. I don't think this should be playing back. This is trippy. This is why nobody's listening. Why is it looping? What the fuck? What could be causing this? Am I stupid? Why can't I not open Streamlabs while... This is a nightmare. This is an awful, awful nightmare. Is this recording my voice as well? Hello? Audio output capture. Is that what's fucking me over? Okay, hold on. Can you listen to it again? I hope that isn't it. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the output capture. How do you feel about that? How does this sound? Okay, well, when the ad's done playing. Okay, so for now, let's see if that works. And then you have like a public line type. Let's go.
I think it's good.
Did it fix itself? Okay, thank God. So I think I know what's going on now. So now let's try this. I'm doing two things at once. I'm getting my audio to work, and I'm getting my So we should have some lo-fi playing out. Try that out. Try that one out for size. Thank you, Aaron, for troubleshooting. Alright, so now we should be able to... No, I don't care. Can you hear the music as well? Okay, then I think I fixed it. Cool. Well, sorry everybody who tuned in was like, the fuck is happening here? Yeah, can support me in the chat.
I'm supporting you right here.
That's not what matters, Aaron. You can't support me in real life and not on Twitch. Okay. So, ooh, okay. Here's what we're gonna do. First, we need a pause play button. So let's see how. Should I hand draw it, Aaron?
Just like lines and a
Yeah, but there's a difference between. Oh, I want that to be black.
triangle.
Hey. That's not thick though. Doesn't look like a pause. What?
We'll make it thicker.
You know what I'm gonna do? Should I make it thicker? Oh fuck, that's so thick. Okay, so let's pause. Fuck, how do you spell pause? And then that's play. And so this is gonna be. What is it? Wait, hold on. Busy designing. You see this, other Twitch streamers? You see the luxury I already have at this stage in the game? That's good. That's really good. What'd you put in that?
Corn, veggie sauce, zucchini, pesto,
GUI play pause dot get component sprite renderer dot the fuck. Oh. Sprites.0. And that's true for that. Thanks, babe. So that should work. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's set that to 0, 0. Okay, and then we're gonna add another thing. So we're gonna have a GUI for line type. Let's It's also gonna stick with the camera. Where is this object? Oh, well, it's white. That would be it, wouldn't it? I don't need it to be that big. Um, Making an entirely new GUI for that. Oh, text mesh. See if that works. Line type. So if you duplicate that. So we're an hour in, and I feel like I have most of the game done. Whoa, man! What? Oh, yeah. True. Okay. Let's make a, This is gonna be if got get. Just to remind you, James, you have a fucking zero. Mm. Is that like fuck? If I can't, but it can't equal that. If line type is less than this doesn't even make sense. This doesn't even fucking make sense. Fucking type dot is less than line type dot length. Or is it type dot length? It's less than what? How do I do this? How do I make it? How do I get an int from the enum? I want. How the fuck do I do this? Here's how we're gonna do this. Oh. What's up? They've been watching. I'm not saying I doubt it. No, I think if you're watching, give me a wayo in the chat.
Oh, wait.
Wayo. What do you say?
What's the wait? What do you mean?
Heyo, wayo. I don't know. It's just something people say. Is it not? Let's see if that works.
It said 2 viewers, but that says 1 viewer. I didn't like this viewer.
Heyo. I was listening to that twice. So let's say okay, so if the line is fast, let's make it go fast. Dot velocity times equals 1.1 f. Oh wait, no, that's not gonna do anything yet. Is that not enough? that even how that works? On collision stay, collision dot game object. How? What is this not? Why is this not working?
What this is saying then is that just as you don't know how you manage to be conscious, how you manage to grow and shape this body of yours, that doesn't mean to say that you're not doing it. Equally, you don't know how the universe shines the stars, constellates the constellation, and galactifies the galaxies. You don't know. But that doesn't mean to say that you aren't doing it in just the same way as you're breathing without knowing how you breathe.
Does that work? What the fuck? Why is that not working? There, let's try that. Is that not? Oh my god, I just didn't have 2D. Oh my god, I hate my life. It's just been so long because I didn't. Fuck. You know, we all make mistakes. We all live, we all learn, and that's what this is all about. Let's see if this like fucking flings them. No! We're close. We're close. Wait, what's going on here? Oh, it's because we don't have collision 2D, right? There we go. Okay, now if this doesn't work, call me a monkey's uncle. All right. Let's go, baby. This is about to be the greatest line rider jump you've ever seen. Why is that not working? Let's just see if it's even. Let's see if that's working. Let's see if it's even. Oh shit, okay. Let's try that again. Fast line, let's go. Now that should just add a force, but it's okay, so it's definitely colliding. And so the collision.gameObject.get component rigid body 2D.add force should add a force forward times like fucking. Let's just see if that launches it. Doesn't, does it? I wonder why. If we just do just multiplies velocity by a fuck ton. I have a new appreciation for Line Rider, that's for sure. Wow. Okay, maybe not by that much. Did something though. Wow, okay. No, that added to both lines? I don't want it to add to. Oh, okay, good. Hey, what's the deal with that? Is this not a perfect piece of software? What the fuck? Why is there a line from there to there? Oh, we need to zero out that last. Oh, that's a good point. if input dot get mouse button up 0. I don't even know. What's the solution to this? Wait. Fuck, what did I break? What did I even change in the code? I didn't even change anything, did I? Oh, there we go, okay. Yeah, see, there's something going on there where... Yeah, the sec. So I need to zero out. I need to not... So previous position is equal mouse position. Why does that happen? What element is that? What's making that happen? Also, what's making that happen? What's making that happen? What the fuck? Okay, I think on get mouse button up, I'm just gonna clear everything. Because when I click it the first time it works, but the second time it doesn't. So I'm gonna try and make the second time just like the first time. Points dot clear. Let's see if that works. Thanks. Yeah, that's so good. Okay, I think that worked. Yeah, that worked. So I think right's supposed to send you to the right, isn't it? Like green is supposed to always... No. Let's try one more time to see if we can get that to work. It should work this way. This would be so much better if we get it to work this way. Just doesn't work. Okay, well, fast works. So what we want now is let's go back to the camera follow. So let's go if find object of type what is that called? What did I call that? The underline drawer. Well, I guess if time scale equals 1, then do that. But then if time scale equals 0, we want kind of a similar, no, kind of almost this. But instead of what we did before with player transform position, we want so it's not player position. We want wait, no, we can just do instead of. Let's see if this works. I mean, I don't live here. I feel like that worked decently well. You can move the camera. I don't really know what else I want to add. Kind of works. So basically, you can like draw shit.
Maybe I have.
It was really popular when we were like younger, and like you can kind of do whatever. And then there's like speedy ones, so like that'll make them go really fast. You can like make them run into a wall type thing, and then
Is there not like something you have to get to?
no, it's just like all creative. Like us. Okay, well that sucks. What? Well, it was. What do you mean it was slow? I just didn't do it like I could do it more like. And then this is like a speed boost. So let's see how that works out. And now he's just kind of. But the thing with Line Rider that was different than mine is you can keep drawing with mine. You know what I mean? Like the other Line Rider, you had to like. It's give him a little bit of a speed boost. It's kind of cool. This one isn't that cool. I don't know. It kind of works, right? I can maybe make more line types or something like that, or like. I think it works pretty well. No, it's pretty cool. Let me get him. See if I can get him out of there. That's gonna work. Go, 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 go. Fuck. I mean, maybe. Now he's probably stuck forever.
Why?
I can see my viewers, by the way. I figured it out. It's nobody right now because you're watching the ad.
I can't believe you're freaking profile.
You like my profile picture? You want to see it? It's good shit, right? You hate that?
I hate that you made that. It's like funny, but I just like.
Alright, that's it. Fuck you guys. Bye. I'm done.